Hey, it's MK and I am here with week 2's kit for you guys, and this kit is a mashup between 49 and Market Summer Porch and P13's C'est La Vie or Sea La Vie. And so from 49 and Market Summer Porch we have the laser cut elements. You get 4 sheets of 6 by 12 and a half elements, and so I open them up like this and they are barely stuck in there. So you get this sheet right here that's got a couple of layering pieces, lots of little tickets and things, frames. I love these little clips, a swing, and then these little closures. Those are kind of cool. And then we also have this piece here that is the florals and whatnot, a couple faux string things, some not blinders, binoculars and whatnot, and just lots of greenery. Love it. Okay, so that is the, help me out here. That is the Summer Porch laser cuts. And then also from Summer Porch, we have, I apologize. Okay. I think it's these ones. So also from Summer Porch, we have the entire collection of foundation papers. And so I have them actually flipped. This is one side and this is the other side. So if I flip them, they're exactly the same. Just so you guys can see the difference, you get a lighter one on one side and a darker color on the other side. So you're really getting all of these colors. And then this one here is the packaging. So when you flip this over, nope, that's not the packaging. I lied. I've got 2 more sheets of paper here that go like this. Look at that. I even added more. So this is the packaging here. It looks like clouds. And then you flip it over and you get this. So these are all the papers that you get that reads as a solid for the Summer Porch collection. And then also from Summer Porch, you get this really fun stripe, and it's got this branding strip on the bottom that's got all the colors in it, and then you flip it over and it's this gorgeous scene. Looks like you're sitting at a beach and watching the sailboat go by. That is super cool. And then from C'est La Vie, you have all of these papers, which, yes, you have 4 papers and a cut apart sheet. And the cut apart sheet you can actually flip over and either have 2 cut apart sheets or 2 of this very light map print, or I should say ocean longitude latitude print or something like that. I'm not sure what the lines in the ocean are called, but I think that that's what they're called. So you get 2 of these pieces of paper, and it's up to you how you want to use them. You can fussy cut out and have all of these extra embellishments for your ocean pictures, or you could use it for this side here. So it's up to you. Then you get this really fun, gorgeous wood grain print, and then on the other side it's this beautiful frame as well. You guys know I'm drawn towards the wood grain. And then also you get this latitude longitude, which is a darker version of the cut apart sheet one. So you get actually 3 of them, but this one is darker and you can definitely see it. On the other side is this beautiful floral print, and you can definitely take this and fussy cut these out if you choose, or use it as a print. It's up to you. And then you get a cut apart sheet that's got the 4x6s, 4x4s, and 3x3s, and then you flip it over and it's this beautiful red color. So it is up to you. So this is the collection that we will be working with every day. The set days that we have planned for a video are Fridays, Sundays, and Wednesdays, and then of course Fridays, Sundays, and Tuesdays. I apologize. And then, of course, if we have any extra layouts, we will fill those in the gaps between the days. But for sure, we are going to be posting every Friday, every Sunday, of course, every Thursday to reveal the kit we're using, and then every Tuesday. All right? Thanks again for checking out what kit we're going to be using for this month. If you're interested in this kit, I have a link down below, and you can purchase it from my shop. Some assemblage required if you guys are interested. All right. Thanks.